Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we use aspect ratio to give a ratio to your picture. For that, you have to select the picture, and let's suppose we wanna remove this side gap and give it a perfect vertical aspect ratio of some kind of 1:2 or 2:6. For that, after selecting, you have to click on this picture tool format, followed by crop. Just click on this small arrow below the crop written in this size group. After clicking on that, you have an option that is aspect ratio. So if you click on that, then you are having square, portal and landscape aspect ratio with the 1:1 ratio, 2:3 ratio, 3:4 ratio, 3:5, 4:5 ratio. Similarly, for landscape, there are various types of landscape. So according to your need, if you want portal, then you can select it. I'm selecting 4:5, and just after clicking, you can see this ratio is applied. If you don't want this, then you can again click on the aspect ratio and you can change it from here. So this way you can apply aspect ratio, guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.